Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up to your website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the pop-up widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Use the AI-powered pop-up generator or the drag-and-drop builder to create custom pop-ups that meet your specific needs. Choose a layout for your pop-up and customize its size to make it fit seamlessly into your website's design. Control when and where your pop-up appears on your website by adjusting its display settings, including frequency, pages, devices, and schedule. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Webflow admin panel. Paste the pop-up embed code into your Webflow website's admin panel to add it to your website. Open your website's admin panel. Find the template that loads on all pages. This is usually something like footer, theme, layout, or a global custom code section. Locate the area where you can add custom code. Paste your floating widget installation code there, preferably before the closing/body tag. Save your changes. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.